friends, welcome in Takshila YouTube channel. Today's my subject is Sanskrit Standard 10, chapter number 2, Yad Bhavishya Vinashyati. When we disjoin this word Yad Bhavishya Vinashyati, already we have seen the story of this chapter and half chapter's translation also. After listening the conversation between the fishermen, these fishes, Anagadvidata, Pratyunmamati and Yadbhavishya, these three fishes are talking with each other. All three have the different opinions. Already we have seen this thing. Anagadvidata told these things. It is not proper to leave even a single moment in this pond. So I am going to leave this pond with my family. Another Pratyunmamati told these things कि without the evidence of future, how we should leave this lake. When the circumstances come, we should face. This is the opinion of the second fish named Pratyunmamati. Then third fish, Yadbhavishya, told these things कि दिव्राणां वचनमात्रेण पितृपैत्रामाहिकस्य जलाशयस्य त्यागः न युज्यते. दिव्राणां वचनमात्रेण, only by the words of the fishermen, पितृपैत्रामाहिकस्य. पितृपैत्रामाहिकस्य means of our forefathers, जलाशयस्य means of pond, त्यागः न युज्यते. त्यागः means leave, L-E-A-V, न युज्यते, it is not proper. So, what is the opinion of Yadbhavishya? Tato Yadbhavishyena ukta. Then Yadbhavishya told, only by the words of the fishermen, Divranam Vachan Matrena means only by the words of the fishermen, it is not proper, na yujjate, it is not proper, tyagaha, to leave the pond, Jalashayasya means of pond, Pitrupaitra Mahikasya means of our forefathers. So, whole translation will be like this. Only by the words of the fisherman, it is not proper to leave the pond of our forefathers. Yadi ayuhu kshayaha asti. When we disjoin words, so kshayo is there, so kshayaha and the change into the a. Yadi, if ayuhu kshayaha bhavati, if our life will finish. Tada, at that time, anyatra gatanam api. When we disjoin, ma will be half there and a will be full. So, gatanam api, anyatra gatanam api. If we go elsewhere, mrutyuhu bhavishyati eva, we will die. If there is the end of our life, so if we go anywhere, then also we will die. Uktam cha, and say it. Yadbhavishya told this sloka. Yadbhavi na tadbhavi. See the sandhi also. When I am pronouncing the word, I disjoin the words. Yat abhavi na tadbhavi. Bhavi cha na tad anyatha. Iti chinta vishadnah ayam agadah kim na piyate. Yat abhavi means whatever, abhavi means not happen, na tadbhavi, that will not happen, means whatever is not going to happen, that will not happen, means जो नहीं होने वाला है वो नहीं ही होगा. And च न तद अन्यथा, bhavi, first word is there, bhavi, so bhavi च न tad अन्यथा, and whatever happen tad na cheta anyatha, means that will not change, means whatever happen that will not change. So whole translation of the first line, whatever will not happen, that will not happen, and whatever happen, that will not change. Iti, like this, chinta vishadnah ayam agadah kim na priyati. First understand the meaning of the word. Iti, like this, chinta means the worry. Vish means the poison. Vishadnah, when we destroy the poison. Vish means the poison, but whole Vishadnah means one who destroy the poison. Ayam means this. Agadaha means the medicine, aushadhi. Kim Why? Na piyate, should not drink. So first we have to take Kim, means why ayam agadaha, this medicine, why is this medicine na piyate, is not drunk. Why is this medicine not drunk? How is this medicine? Chinta vishadnah, one would destroy the poison of worry. Means ये सेंटेंस याद रखने की ज़रूरत है अकॉर्डिंग टू यद भविष्य, कि जो नहीं होने वाला है वो नहीं ही होगा, और जो होने वाला है वो हम दूसरी जगह पे जाएंगे तो भी होगा. तो ये सेंटेंस जो है ये मेडिसिन के रूप में है, और अगर ये अगर सेंटेंस हम एक्सेप्ट कर लेंगे तो our worry, whatever worry we have, that we will destroy. So why should we not drink this medicine which destroy the poison of worry? So whole translation like this: whatever is not going to happen, that will not happen, and whatever is going to happen, that will not change. So why is this medicine not drunk which destroys the poison of worry? Now अथ तयोः निश्चयं ज्ञात्वा, अथ now तयोः means both of them. Who? Both of them, प्रत्युन्ममति and यद भविष्य, both of them निश्चयं ज्ञात्वा. ज्ञात्वा means knowing. ज्ञात्वा is a सबंधक भूतकृदंत. Knowing the निश्चयम means the decision. Now by knowing the decision of both of them, अनागत विधाता निष्क्रांतः means went away, सह with परिजनेन, with his family. He went away with his family by knowing the decision of both the fishes, प्रत्युन्ममति and अद्भविष्य. द्वौ इमौ तत्रैव जलाशये स्थितौ. द्वौ means these two. इमौ, these two, these two, तत्रैव, there only, जलाशये, in this pond only, स्थितौ means stay. These two only stay in this pond. अप्रेद्युः, अपर यद्यु means another day, दिव्रैहि आगत्य, दिव्रैहि means the fisherman, आगत्य means coming, and जलाशये जालम क्षिप्तम. जलाशये means in the pond, jalam means the net, and क्षिप्तम means through. So now another day means the next day, fishermen came and threw the net in the pond. जालेन बद्धः प्रत्युन्ममतिः मृतवत् आत्मानं सदृशं स्थितः. जालेन बद्धः, ट्रैप्ड बाय द नेट, नेट में बधा हुआ. प्रत्युन्ममति ही मीन्स प्रत्युन्ममति ट्रैप्ड इन अ नेट. मृतवत, मृतवत मीन्स एज इफ ही इज डाई. आत्मान मीन्स हिमसेल्फ. सदृशम स्थित, ही स्टे एज इफ ही इज डाई. when pratyunmamati trapped by the net, he stay as if he is die. वो मर गया है ऐसे ही वो उसमें वो नेट में पड़ा रहा. ततः, ततो मीन्स when we disjoin, so ततः then जालात अपसारितः, throw away from the net. अपसारितः means throw away, jalata means from the net. Yatha Shakti, according to his ability. Atha Shakti, Shakti means the ability, and Yatha means according to his ability. Utlupya means jumped. Gambhiram, Utlupya means jumped. Gambhiram means deep. Niram means the water. Pravishta means enter. Jumped in a deep water. Then when this Pratyunmamati threw from the net, according to his ability, he entered in a deep water. He jumped and entered. Utlupya is there, that's why jumped. And Pravishta means entered. Gambhiram Niram, in a deep water. So now he know how to save himself. That's why when he trapped in a net, he himself stay like this, ki he is died, and That fisherman understand that he dies, that's why he throw from the net outside, and when fisherman throw him outside, at the same time he jumped and enter in a deep water according to his ability. जितनी भी शक्ति थी वो लगा के वो अंदर ऊंडा पानी में चले गए. नाउ यद भविष्य धीव्रैः प्राप्तः व्यापादितः च. यद भविष्य धीव्रैः मीन्स बाय द फिशरमैन, प्राप्तः मीन्स ही कॉट, यद भविष्य कॉट बाय द फिशरमैन, च एंड व्यापादितः एंड किल्ड, एंड वो मार भी दिया गया. अतः एव उक्तम, सो इट इज टोल्ड, अतः एव उक्त, सो इट इज टोल्ड. अनागत विधाता, लास्ट श्लोका इज दिस. अनागत विधाता च प्रत्युन्ममतिः तथा, when we disjoin this word pratyunmamatihi तथा, instead of half sub we have to put the visarga. pratyunmamatihi तथा द्वावेतौ, द्वा एतौ sukham edete is there, so when we disjoin this word, so sukham edete यद भविष्यः विनश्यति. अनागत विधाता प्रत्युन्ममति तथा एंड अनागत विधाता एंड प्रत्युन्ममति, द्वौ एतौ, these two fishes, सुखम एदेत live happily. सुखम means happily, एदेत means live. अनागत विधाता एंड प्रत्युन्ममति, these two fishes live happily, and यद भविष्यो विनश्यति means यद भविष्य destroy. This is our title, Yad Bhavishyo Vinashyati. So friends, in our real life also, we should not behave like the Yad Bhavishya. Earlier also I told, we have to follow this moral of the story, कि we should not depend on the luck, but we should have to do the work to come out from the circumstances, and we should learn this thing from the Anagat Vidata and Pratyunmamati. Thank you very much.